everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Spotless Clean achievement in Heartopia by joining the Ocean's Clean Up event. So in here, you need to join the Ocean's Clean Up event in this Whalefall Canyon map. This one, that located on the Whalefall area, this one. In here, you can join your friend's event or just participate when NPC Oliver hosts one, or you can even host your own event by paying 2,000 gold. And if you host it yourself, you you need invite your friends. This one, just tap on this Oceans Pollutions Collection device, and then in here you need to start, and then just pay with 2,000 gold to start the event by yourself. And then next, just simply participate in the Oceans Cleanup event and complete it until the event ends. And here the important part: during the event, you have a chance to trigger a special hidden phase, and also known as an extra phase. And in here, you need trigger this hidden phase 10 times in total. And after that, you can unlock this achievement, this spotless clean achievement like this. You can see it. You need to trigger the hidden phase in Ocean's Cleanup event 10 times in totals like this. So just keep joining Ocean's Cleanup events and then just completing them. And sometimes you will get this hidden phase, and sometimes you won't. And so you need to repeat this event several times. And once you successfully trigger this 10 times of hidden phase, this spotless clean achievement will be unlocked like this. And so just keep cleaning the oceans, and good luck for getting this achievement. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.